So after reinstalling the two windows, I also fixed up the the insulation. There were areas of the insulation that were missing. Just various people over the years have moved it, so I actually put in some new insulation here to fill in some gaps and just straightened it out. Anywhere there was insulation missing, I either filled it with the old stuff so that it was consistent everywhere. As my voice can tell, I've been up here a while. And again, there's the second window that's back in. I also fixed this vent to the rafter so that it's not just standing up on its own. So there's a screw holding it up. And that's it. So now all the insulation is back in place. Everything looks good and clean. All the garbage has been removed that was up here before. There was 40 years worth of people leaving Christmas trees and all kinds of old boxes and things, but I took those away before we went on vacation. But anyway, you can see now the insulation looks much better.